All right, guys, we got some exciting news. Justin, what are we going to do?
Well, we're going to look at a pretty sweet barn find. So, my brother-in-law here, Tyler, happens to have a pretty cool Mazda Miata, and I've been wanting a convertible for a long time, but I'm like, I don't really want. I mean, I want a Miata, but I kind of want my own style kind of car. So we are going to look at a 1984 Volkswagen Rabbit convertible. Yeah, so it's an automatic. It's been sitting for a while outside, but my buddy sent me some pictures and it looks really clean. It's all there. He said it doesn't really seem like there's any rust. The floors are there, so we're gonna check it out, and we very well might have two convertible cars on the channel.
Both possibly being free.
Exactly. And why not just have one chick car? We might as well each have chick cars.
Right.
But I don't really care. I love those OG Volkswagens. I've always wanted a convertible Volkswagen, so this would be absolutely huge if we can get this car for free.
Yeah, just more content for the channel, so we'll let you know how it goes.
Well, we're back from checking the car out, and it looks like it's a go. It's solid. I mean, solid. It's spent a lot of time parked in a garage. I couldn't even believe crawling underneath it, and it's crazy. It's all there. It's solid. Definitely it needs some love. The top is leaking pretty bad, and there's some moss growing and some mold, but
it needs love, and
yeah,
that's what we're here to do to it. So stay tuned for it. We'll give you the whole backstory on it, and it's going to be a trip.
Hopefully this week or so we'll have it, and we'll start to peek at it and kind of go over it. But
stay tuned.
Pumped. Cannot wait. Later, guys.